So, dito na natin ilalagay dito sa ATC. Again, yung ATC natin is the PT010. And then, taxable amount. Again, pwede natin balikan yung ating Excel. Ito yung ilalagay natin is the 148,500. So, taxable amount, 148,500. And then, 3% yung tax rate. So, that would give us itong tax due na 4,455. So, balik tayo sa previous page. Ayan, so may details na nakalagay dyan. The tax due is 4,455. Wala tayong 2307 percentage tax na withheld and taxes paid in return previously filed. Again, if this is amended return, if hindi naman, zero lang yan. Other tax credit, zero. So, that would give us itong tax still payable. Ayan, 4,455. And again, wala tayong mga penalty, zero lang yan. If ever late na kayo, nakapag-submit, kailangan nyo pumunta sa inyong RDO. So, they will be the one who will compute itong surcharge nyo, interest, and the compromise. So, again, so review nyo lang. So, I think we're good to go. Click nyo yung validate. Ayan, ayan, oh, kita nyo. Validation successful, and then okay. Save din nyo. And then, i-print na din ninyo so that you will have a copy, yung final na na-file nyo na 2551Q. And then, pwede nyo na lang i-submit. Ayan. Please ensure that you have internet access and valid email address. So, are you sure you want to submit? I-okay nyo lang. And then, may terms of service agreement. I-okay nyo lang and yes. And until such, mag-prompt dyan na successfully na-submit na ninyo ang inyong 2551Q. And then, i-check nyo ang inyong email. Ayan, so mag-email din doon. May tax return receipt confirmation na email kayo matatanggap.